In today's digital age, becoming rich isn't just a dream, it's a tangible goal within your reach. The secret? Embrace digital marketing. Start by identifying your passion and niche. Build a strong online presence. Your brand is your voice. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Authenticity is key. Invest in learning SEO and content marketing. These skills will drive traffic to your website and increase your visibility. Don't shy away from data analytics. Understanding your audience's behavior can transform your strategy. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach and credibility. Remember, consistency is crucial. Keep engaging, keep learning, and adapt to trends. The digital world is vast, but with determination and the right tools, you can carve out your path to wealth. Stay focused, stay hungry, and watch your dreams turn into reality.